we have decimal number. Why? Because we have decimal point. How we round decimal numbers? We have to use the same rule which we use for rounding whole numbers. So let me copy our example one more time. We have 96.2387. First, we need to round our number to the nearest 10. So we need to find 10. And what do we know? Decimal point is always between ones and tenth. When we move to the right from the decimal point, each position is 10 times smaller. And when we move to the left from the decimal point, each position is 10 times bigger. This is ones, next is 10. We have 9/10. So we underline our number to which we have to round. Next, we have to check what we have after our underlined number is 6. When we have 5 or more, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to our underlined digits. So we'll have to add 1 to 9. And what else? Everything what we have after our underlined digits, we have to change to zeros. So 7, 8, 3, 2, decimal point, we copy 6, we change to 0. And now we have to just do addition. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we copy 0 and 1. What we got? 100. We can write decimal point. We don't have to write the zeros because they don't change the value of our number. This was rounding to the nearest 10. Let me copy our example. We have 96.2387. And again, first we need to find 100. We have the advantage. So we have to move to the left from our decimal point. Decimal point is between ones and tenth. Ones, 10. Next is 100. Because we don't have here any digits, it means this is invisible 0. You can write the 0. We have to underline 100 position. And next step, we have to check the digit which is after our underlined digit. It's 9. When we have 5 or more after underlined digits, what we have to do? We need to add 1 to our underlined digits. So to 0 we have to add 1. And what else we have to remember? Every digit which is after our underlined digits, we need to change to 0. So 7, 8, 3, 2, decimal point we copy, 6 and 9. And next, 0 plus 1 is 1. So our solution will be 100. Decimal point we can write, and we don't need to this 4 zeros after decimal point because they don't change the value of our number. This will rounding to the nearest 100. Next, we have to round our number to the nearest thousandth. We have th at the end. Always when we have th at the end, we have to move to the right from the decimal point. So let me write our example one more time. We have 96.2387. Like I said, th, so we move to the right from the decimal point. Decimal point is always between ones and tenth. So tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So 8,000 we have to underline our thousandth because we have to round our number to the nearest thousandth. Next step, we have to check the digit which is after our underline number is 7. When we have 5 or more after underlined digits, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to our underlined digits, so it will be plus 8 plus 1. What next? Every digit which we have after our underlined digits, we need to change to 0. And next we have to add 1 to our underlined digits. 8 plus 1 is 9. And everything what we have before our underlined digits, we have to just copy. Don't forget about decimal point. What we got? 96.239. We don't need this last zero because this zero doesn't change our value of our number. So this was rounding to the nearest thousandth. This is my solution.